Hi friends, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with a new concept in general English. Fill in the blanks. In the following questions, sentences are given with blanks to be filled with an appropriate word or words. Four alternatives are suggested for each question. Choose the correct alternative out of the four. Here is your first sentence. Many a man dash imprisoned without trial in fascist countries. Let me repeat. Many a man dash imprisoned without trial in fascist countries. Your four options are A, R, B, were, C, is, D, have been. Your answer is C, is. The reason is many a man means it belongs to a very particular group of people. Group means it is a singular noun. So you should use is. Now, second sentence. The plane will take off when the thunderstorm dash. Let me repeat. The plane will take off when the thunderstorm dash. Your four options are stops, B stopped, C would stop, D will stop. The answer is A stops. The reason is here when proposes a condition. In a conditional clause, if one clause is given in simple future tense, then the other clause should be in simple present tense. Let me repeat. Here, when proposes a condition. In a conditional sentence, if one clause is in simple future, the other clause should be in simple present tense. Next sentence. Age and experience dash wisdom to man. Let me repeat. Age and experience dash wisdom to man. Your four options are A. Bring, B. Have brought, C. Are bringing, D. Brings. The answer is D. Brings. The reason is age alone doesn't bring wisdom. Here, the two nouns, that is age and experience, together express the same idea, and hence we use a singular verb. I think you understood the reason why D is the answer. Let me repeat. Is alone doesn't bring wisdom. Here, the two nouns. What are those two nouns? Is and experience together express the same idea, and hence we use a singular verb. Next sentence. If you litter, you dash to pay a fine. Let me repeat. If you litter, you dash to pay a fine. Four options are A. Will have, B. Would have, C. Will had, D. Would had. The answer is will have. The reason already told in our earlier slide. What is it? In if clause, if one clause is in simple future, then the other should be in simple present tense. The given if clause is in simple present tense. So the following clause should be in simple future tense. So your answer will be will have. Next sentence. He drove from Maharashtra dash Karnataka without stopping to rest. Let me repeat the sentence. He drove from Maharashtra dash Karnataka without stopping to rest. Your four options are A is, B to, C into, D towards. Your answer is 2.